Our company was founded more than 30 years ago. Prior to this, we worked in the Chlopin Radium Institute and synthesized materials which helped in filtering radioactive waste from nuclear processes. Further investigation in the field of synthesis allowed us to create a new material which we named Aragon. This material allows to filter the water from scale, viruses, bacteria, and heavy metals. Cartridges comprising the porous polymer Aragon are at the core of the majority of water purifying systems produced by our company for industrial use as well as in our customers' homes. Aragon cartridges filter the water simultaneously by mechanical, adsorption, and ion exchange methods. Decreasing the pore size of the material within the cartridge allows us to effectively filter the water from bacteria and viruses. The combination of these features makes Aragon a unique product. Catalon is a fibrous ion exchange material which traditionally was used by our company for removal of heavy metals from water. Modifying the chemical process allowed us to create materials that effectively clean the air from any impurities, including formaldehyde and ammonia.
We are constantly working on improving current formulations as well as creating new materials. As a result of continual research efforts, we discovered that the most important criteria for effectiveness of material implemented in filtering of air are the composition of material, its humidity, concentration of the solution used in preparation of the material, and homogeneous application of the preparatory solution across the material. We created a line of products that do not dry out during use, which means that it possesses a large binding capacity for filtering gases and are 30% more effective than other commonly used materials.
With arrival of a new technology, there is a need to create a model for the novel product, which satisfies chemical and technological standards, is safe for use, is within the manufacturing capabilities of the company, and ultimately exceeds customers' expectations. Geyser owns 2 factories that in total have 4 lines of production. The products we create are based on the Aragon technology. The second factory specializes in production of the ion exchange material Catalon, carbon-based cartridges and replacement cartridges for water filtering pitchers used in customers' homes. Our production team consists of more than 200 people. Each month we produce more than 5,000 units of finished product. Our production incorporates strict quality controls of raw materials as well as components. Also, individual products undergo a complete and thorough inspection. In the last 10 years, our company developed productive relationships with customers in the European, American, and Asian markets. Our products are successfully being sold in dozens of countries, including France, Brazil, Vietnam, USA, Malaysia, India, Korea, and of course China. Our products are compliant with the international standards of certification mandated by the NSF. Quality and effectiveness were verified across the world in famous and prestigious laboratory groups.
The company is expending colossal resources for development in the Chinese market. We have a shared factory in China. Our team, together with the Chinese Institute of Chemistry, Henan Academy of Science, is working on implementing our leading technical solution in large manufacturing projects. Together with our partners, we are adapting our products for various regions of China. Interest in Geyser products is continuously increasing. Various international collaborative contracts have been signed. Initial batches of materials are currently being delivered, and distribution logistics are being formed. Considering the environmental challenges in China, our company is faced with a number of extremely important decisions, and Geyser possesses all of the necessary resources to address such needs.
Our research and development allows us to compete in the global market in the areas of water and air filtration. This requires us to be especially thorough in all stages of our production processes. Geyser's previous year sales were $85 million. Our company is undergoing stable growth. In the last 15 years, sales grew 60-fold. Geyser filters are used by more than 25 million families in 20 countries. We are a major supplier of water filters in the DIY stores in Russia, such as Leroy Merlin. Currently, we produce 3,000 different product items. In all, our team is more than 1,000 people, and our warehouses add up to 20,000 square meters. Several years ago, we created an educational center where we train members of our team. It's important for me that they obtain new knowledge, share their expertise, and are experts in their field. Unique chemical compositions, which we use in our production, allow us to create a series of products for filtration of water and air. The mission of our company is constant development of novel technologies.